How's it going tonight there, YouTube? Well, it's a pretty hot, smoky night up here tonight, but we got a little evening project. But first and foremost, I want to wish all of our American subscribers there happy 4th of July and whatnot. Anyway, I got a little package in the mail here on Monday of all day, which is, Canada Day. And I want to show you guys how to install a set of tow mirrors on your 99 through 07 Chevy GM trucks. And, well, I was hoping to have a big unboxing video for you guys. We got some more stuff coming. I'm not going to say it's farm toys or pickup truck parts. It's funny, as soon as you want to record a video, everybody has to come parading down Pine Beach Drive. Anyway, yeah, I was going to have a big kind of unboxing video for you guys, but like I said, I don't know if it's farm toys or pickup trucks, so you guys have to stay tuned for that. But anyway, I already did the driver's side here, but I'll set the camera up on the tripod, and you guys can watch me do the passenger side. It's really not that difficult to do, but hey, that's what YouTube's for, how-to videos. Alright, well, I already popped off the passenger side door panel here. That's pretty simple to do. Pull your little foam out of there. Take out your 10mm bolts. I might actually go get the tripod for this. That might make life a little easier here. Alright, well, hopefully I'm getting a shot alright here. Take the bolts out. There's 3 10mm nuts. Now, your new mirror does come with 3 new nuts, but I like the original style better, so I'll put these ones back on. Now your mirror's not going to go crashing on the ground, because if it does decide to pop out of its little hole here while you're taking things apart, you can always grab it by the tail here because the wires are still attached. Obviously not the switch, but it still gives you something to grab onto. Okay, I'll go around to the other side, I'll pull that through. There you go. And I'll go grab our new mirror. So well, it's basically all it is, reversing the process. Take your new fancy pant tow mirror here. And thread your wires through first. Catching the threads a little bit, and they will do that because they fit kind of snug. It's got one started there. Some of you guys caught that. Sometimes with eBay stuff, you have to do little modifications on things. I had to make a little. I forgot the driver's side. I had a little slot for the wire to go through. That's why I was having a hard time putting it in, because the wire got bunched up behind it. You guys gotta watch that too. Sometimes with eBay stuff, you gotta make little modifications. Sometimes, but it's usually not a big deal. Anyway, we'll get the rest of the nuts put on here. Level back up. Well, that worked a lot better that time. Alright, and just basically take the drill and tighten up the nuts here. And I always go over with a ratchet because you never know how tight something is with a power tool, even though it's pretty easy to tell with the drill. And just remember, they are metal inserts in a plastic housing, so you can strip these guys out if you get too crazy with it. not left-handed, by the way. I just wanted to use both hands. I'm actually right-handed, but can do both. Alright, so now you just basically put your little rubber foam back in there. Piece of foam around the wire. Actually, it goes this way. You'll see the nut imprints with it. In all reality, I'm not really too picking how this goes back together right now because I got to pull the door panels back off anyway so I can do the sound system on the truck. So anyway, I'll put the door panel back on and we'll give you guys a final result. Alright, so once you get the door panel back on and whatnot, it's not really too difficult to do. This is basically what you got. Hope it shows up on the camera. It's starting to lose sunlight. Now you will notice on the 03307 body style GM trucks, you see how the tow mirrors are kind of on a angle like that? It's because of the door structure. But what you do to solve that, you pop this cap off, and I believe there's a 15mm nut back there. I don't remember the exact shape, I think it's 15. You can pop that off and pack a couple washers in there, and that'll bring your tow mirror back out. That'll level them out for you. There's a video on that somewhere on YouTube. I've seen it once before. I think it was Mossman 982 or something like that. I know it's Mossman something early. But I don't know. One thing I want to do is get those tow mirrors leveled out a little bit because that shit drives me crazy. I don't know how many trucks I've seen on the road with the tow mirrors look like that. So I'll get those fixed up, and yeah, that'll be another video here. But if you guys like what you see, as always, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.